I used to only post to TikTok and think that my business was going to go completely viral. But it was only when I started publishing to all of my channels and automating that's when things started moving very, very well. So what you're seeing above my head, not your head, what you're seeing above my head is an automation. It's a tool. It's a desktop app for Mac and Windows. What it does, it can take a video file, edit it with AI according to your prompt, and then publish it to all of your channels, like you can see above my head over here. These are all my channels. And every time I make a video, all I do is drop it into a folder, and it literally gets distributed into all of these channels. Not before it gets edited, though. And that's what I'm about to show you right now. I'm about to demonstrate how to use AI to your advantage to have it edit your videos and publish them to all of your channels in one go. So you don't have to worry anymore. Did I post it to Instagram or did I only post it to TikTok? And also, for those of you who have multiple businesses and channel groups, this video is for you. So let me just show you the entire workflow. This is a complete project. Let me start a new fresh project over here. And I want to demonstrate specifically the automation function over here. Let me just zoom in on it right now so you can see exactly what I can see. So you see this button automate here at the top of my screen. When I click on that, I can create something called an automation. And an automation is something that people who already understand how to save time use a lot. So when I click on that, I can literally create a brand new automation, which will allow me to then automate my AI video editing process. All right, guys, check this out. So I can give it a name. For example, if I've got a business that's a music video automation, for example, you can call it whatever you want. And then you can do this unbelievable thing called automate by dropping this into a folder. So what you do, you choose a folder that you want and you choose that folder, whatever folder that is, and it will watch it. So whenever you drop a folder into it, a video into that folder, it will automatically do this entire process, including publishing to all your channels. So for those of you not into make.com, N8N, and want to see what's happening when you're creating and editing videos, check this out. So you could write a custom prompt. First, edit the video, keep only the viral moments at the first 5 seconds, add an amazing remotions effect to keep the user hooked, then add a bunch of effects throughout the video. Fantastic. Now all I need to do is check this box. You can save a local copy of the video once it's ready, and then you can choose your channel groups. Now this is what I was talking about earlier. You can literally organize your different businesses, your music channels, your comedy channels, your entertainment channels, your business channels. For example, here on my music channel, here's my YouTube one, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So I can choose all of these so that whenever I drop my music, my Suno song, into one of these folders that I've chosen above over here, it will literally post it to all the groups over here. Over here, you can decide the metadata. Now, for those of you who that word scares, don't be scared. It just means the title and description of the video. So you can choose in the title of each video, make sure you include my artist name, which is Dan Yadin. Do you know what I mean? You can write whatever you want. This prompt is going to generate the titles and descriptions for all the videos. Then you can choose the category. So for me, it's music. And you can also auto-generate an AI thumbnail using the best AI imaging model in the world called OpenAI. And basically you can have a unique thumbnail for each of your channels. So if you have, let's say, 5 YouTube channels you post to, it will literally create thumbnails for each one. And you can customize the thumbnail, how it's going to look like. Make it always with a pink background. For example, to match your branding, you can customize your thumbnail prompt. Now, you only have to do this once ever. You can also include the transcript in the prompt, so the thumbnail generator knows what's inside the video based on the transcript, and that's going to give you a much more accurate transcript, accurate thumbnail, which matches what's inside the video. Now look at this insanity, guys. If the video is longer than 3 minutes, you can just check this box. Literally just checking this box converts any video that's longer than 3 minutes also into a short form video. So if you have a video that's 10 minutes, it's going to automatically post it as a long form, but also as a short form. Just by checking this tiny little blue box, you've got 2 videos for the price of 1. And now the TikTok settings, you choose public, obviously. And that's it. If it's paid, you just do all this stuff over here. And that's it. The same thing applies for X, because X only allows you 2-minute videos if you're not a pro member. So you just auto clip to 2 minutes if the video is longer. And that's it. Once I click save, I am finished. I never have to see this automation form again. I click save. And from now on, anytime I drop a file into here and I can click on automate and then choose that automation. Here's the one I just made, and it will run it. It will literally run it for me. So I don't have to drop into a folder. I can just click on automate and music video automation. You know what? Let's do it right now just for the fun of it. I'm literally going to do it for you right now. I'm going to show you how this works. I wasn't planning on doing this, guys. This is an extra. I'm dropping the video onto my timeline, which is not a video, it's actually an MP3 file. What it is, it's actually a music file that I downloaded from Suno. So here's all the words in the song. And the next step is to click the automate button, and this, what we just created now, I'm going to click on it right now. So as you can see, let's click watch live. You can see what it's doing. It's using different skills. You can see these 4 little pop-ups. These little pop-ups, these little skills are going to be the skills that are used by ZippyClip to edit my video for me. So if I've asked for certain things, it's going to listen to my instructions and do what I've said. So I've trimmed the video to the viral chorus and enhanced the visual contrast, etc. And it's taking care of everything. After that, it's going to literally publish to all of my channels. That's all 5 channels in one go without me doing anything. I don't have to press anything. It's just going to do it. Since I click the automate button, it's going to literally publish to all of my channels in one go. And that's it. It's published to all of my channels. It's really that simple. So make sure you save this video so you never forget how to automate your entire video editing pipeline using a very user-friendly app. See you in the next one, and bye for now.